Eti Kofi Oduro anhwe ya weekly na yesimo no. Ombe book no, omde betwa weekly na because ebusia enra. Ana Kofi Oduro from the PENYAH bra bra bra. Na beje nkrato bi de koma Ghana for. We tire be he munum nyanza o. Kofi Oduro tire be bo. Jimmy. Mo mo kan do so wa Jimmy. Jimmy. Me bon jire mu no akere wa jire e de amame e wo comment section. Aha PENYAH block media. Me so say ni di mo. Over like video no under my subscribe button so be click notification code for this update na be chere wa dwe da mame e wo comment section oba so a no che force onya bi ahwe mame fa ko che kakra obeki a 2023 2024 ni mo no analyze na dundum kakra no that time Kofi Oduro e de anibra ne ania de be kasai
mo da so da dumsum the class ye dumsum na ye die ben o manya mo wo we num na ye dumsum ye die ben. What is it? Tell me what it is. Huh? We voted for leadership. Fix it. That is why leadership is in place.
Emma would di abaya no what so that time would di na tem.
But mo yare. You are a sick country. My brother came from Holland. I've been a prime minister or president. They can say Dum Kania Holland. Tell me that you Dum Kania Holland. Mimi tina brochire 4 years, London. The day Amokasu Medum in Suo, you trouble in 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week. The week before you bedum in Suo, no, almost we received 4 letters for only 30 minutes disruption of water. 30 minutes. They were just changing the pipeline. 30 minutes, no, maybe you tried to. We are no salary some more per visa. Adia yamo fe, and yamo fe, and adia time, and yamo time, and amodewa. A deceased 7. Edum Ghanaian. You can have a minister boldly defending Edum Ghanaian. It's sad, but you people don't see it. And the just recompense, aketuye fatamo monzabeka. Aketuye fatamo monzabeka. You are people defending mediocrity and status quo. You are unbelievable. You went to universities. You don't know what excellence is. You are sad. It's a sad situation. You share the youth of this nation. I don't see hope for them. Because you have leaders who don't fear God. And when people talk like this, they are rather the problem. Unfortunately, this is your pastor. This is your pastor. And I'm not talking about this church. Ghana, this is your pastor. So,
oh, and then some of the Kofi Oduro kebo kroma stop the nonsense. Ke kan some bebe wa Ghana hanamo. Lucky ne October na the favorite party was Obekia ne na yi ne jiro zebra ai ne hunipa ne ene jiro zebra se na konta o se ni bibia ne jiro zebra tina se efie ne fie e de obe de ne for the NDC e de oya adwuma no e de ma NDC e ma NDC awe ne power na NDC ba ye no abusa Dumsor aba Dumsor started 2025 ye de Mahama ne this government etna kunya so hwebe ye koduru be July mu hono mo de na se Dumsor no started Ghana ha ema from 2025 na man for them started say SSA wo free money ade ejina mu a besi 2026 na 2026 we no ana Dumsor na start gidi ama media no so bro video upon videos na Ghana for air complaining omu turn drinks omu drinks SSA
company Mahama yes wa light out in the doors Mr. Business awoye ikoko ni nyina se omen adwumanim nso ye try nkakra senke be fama ye so chale light out ne sese ye nioma too much yesrewa PBB ye maye ye pacho Mr. okita kwala oh si nyina se nkotu ni nyina tu ogu ade na Dumsor be ha ya dwon Ghana sa
e papa ma ha so e pe bibi ye fa ho ma ye wa na no odin e ni nyina ase me kotu ogu obi mkuta kwala e bi school so me kwa kotu school fees e hwe we nyina ase ya me kwa kotu ogu ma pay e se me ko ma me nim sa say me sorry ma thank for the bread ni so asa ya me ka nti we no kwa me ye me koko na me ye Queccy koko tin yes the chef fridge me we na me de ko Dumsor vit last week ni nyina Dumsor sam ye the chef fridge ma Dumsor endo me ye ya no mudum like asa agwagwo mbeso on so na ya no pay ahomachi 3 o'clock adichi mi kofa koko na Queccy mi koko ni nyina se ni si anu koko yi nyina se na bi school so mi kuta kwala ji se juma ben pa na me e de ba se mu kura ni so to light 3 days be obi e 20 series light eju bibi adu ye juma nso ahwe Dumsor ti se juma ben na me kwa akoye e de ba se me mita mo de abebo ha mita na eche wo to de man light wo to ade so na Dumsor so che se ye ma light fa na wo de ton ade we nyina ye ka me ko tu ogu e de ba se e de ba se mo kwa wo Ghana o ma pani me so e bibi fa ho why na ya se bi yanko school ye nso eju
ice cream for cold store or fish say near the idea say
Mahama nko aba ne nkofo ne eme ese e o ka me ni PENYAH so do bi na maye
e ka mi bo light so kra mi wie ya I'm managing light boni nya easy na light out so say me nyama irade 2026 di ye ba ye tese ye koye ni mana ye koye chi because I don't get it enya easy sao like here we dey me fe tese ya dey ase cake 100 series ni kra dey me be jai o because most at times and na ya sa to whipping cream e kapa na me boyo
business ya any amount for fear air share because of Dumsor near that didn't know.
Oh, ECG. See what your Dumsor has caused. Mahama. Oh, see how my mom is crying. She has lost everything. Oh, Mahama and ECG, I beg. You people have to do something about this. Her money and everything. Oh, we beg. ECG. Oh, all her medication. Oh, what will she do now? ECG, Mahama, please, we beg you, do something about this. We beg. Oh.
And on top of this, light bill just a prepaid meters, prepaid na yeto, ne boa be ye dene. O to anesa. Just ye ntiase, o to light ni so, but still, esa hram. And on top of this, you say to Dumsor levy. Etinam so, Emma Queccy official, ebe kan nsem or be expressing the frustrations. Ati tini ati pui awo nemu ewo fie.
2 weeks be 1,002 they send to me ECG. If you for last 2 weeks, yeah, better if you have got 2 weeks in my to me buy and first almost share your man am talk 1,000 Ghana cedis go prepaid nessa. Prepaid nasa. ECG. Because you're off. Me check it. Because 2 weeks, 1,002. The bosom back on 25 million. Serious. 2 weeks, 1,002. Mean so, mean turn na mean turn you. Semen no kasi adum light. Adum light. The biada in the space of 3 days, you do light. Now shep bills are utia. Shep bills are a sukono ma bank cry, maybe bobra. The physical like a bit my light bills. From taking you here. Tini extra by saying, what a Roma, you be found on my. You be found on my. So if one person within the space of 12 days, by using prepaid worth 1,200. It's something because I said 300. 300 na me say baba check here. Ya doom light. Kwaku besi me nko
Auto prepaid at the board in about still light in obeka nsem. Emma Ghana ha obi a share opinion on that. Ebe more or mind me jejeje e na ka mitra kwa be defend ye be keka na adwen be board trade na adwen ma. As at now kwa na ebi mu da so blast Kevin Taylor on that. Now no ade we air course no. Kofi Oduro last week Sunday. Ebe jina na Sunday mo. Ebe ka Dumsor ho asem.
Doesn't have to happen. A nation that is 70 years. Yeah, all through. Yeah, but see, you will say, maybe sorry, atadi and to atadi. But there was so best someone to what time would and what the other. Let this stop. Let the nonsense stop. Stop it. And oftentimes when we are talking about things like this, dangerous things like Galamsey, now we are a party, for our party, not all. I don't want to hear it. Obi top prepaid is here now, and will be a party. Are you serious? What they be a party? What do we care about your party? Can you get me to be am say 50 Ghana be a 2 weeks? Say what toy ya 2 days or next day or so santo. Now what tea up as all the party? We don't care about your party. Church and can you talk can 1,000? It can take us to like 1.5 weeks. Now we buy 1,000, another same week now we need to buy another 1,000. And you are calling that South Africa 40. Look at what the South Africa, and I'm telling South African government, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't stop the madness by those lazy hooligans who are precipitating nonsense against their fellow Africans, you will have yourself to be blamed. And I'm speaking to His Excellency, Cyril Ramaphosa and your government. Take responsibility before the whole of Africa rise against you. Because if we sack all South Africans, over 10,000 South Africans living in our nation from Ghana and from all nations of Africa, you will not be a happy man. We will quench the light of South Africa if you don't act. Don't forget, MTN, DSTV are all companies of South Africa. In this day and age, you can have people go into other national shops and call them foreigners. Are you insane? Which nation doesn't have foreigners? When you people died like animals, the whole of Africa rose up for you. The whole Africa. Dr. Nkrumah gave South African officials Ghanaian passports so that they can travel. Today, you people can get up and rise up against this nation and Nigerians, people who have stood for you, and Zambians, and Zimbabweans, and Malawians. Africa against Africa. I call on the president of South Africa and your government. If you don't stop this, whatever attack, whatever you call it, you will have yourself to blame.
Man, I can be a video, but now my busy on that. Obe blast here, because I don't care about who is in power, and this Dumsor is affecting this Dumsor must stop. And also, I study how was it now. Dumsor seminal. I said, Okaneka crabby, and now Okofa South African xenophobic attack na alcohol or the better so a horn as a obubo na adwen power honomo, but I don't want to know can have no busia. 18 watch anybody say akoso modam honomo. Eja bi ato ho. What I say, Eja ato honomo. Mind you, before I akoso bo ebeso no Dumsor Edi kan koso ama Kofi Oduro din kan be kasa be video say Dumsor aba na enye e was aba na etimi stop it. Mind you on that. Fa no to one to baby. E ta koso mbo na say akoso mo so be different na say enye akoso mbo na ahye na akoso Dumsor. But e be ye say eno ahye ni ntia de Dumsor na free 2025 gba nyina na akoso mbo da ahye ni tie en na akoso Dumsor ni nyina. E ma na no energy minister be ka say o be solve e ma you say play o mo kofa transformers aba o install transformers no. bibia or mobile can on 1st May except from that day there ye hu dum so biem e wo Ghana ha no mo bibia ebe okay niema ebe da na kwa mu bia ebe ye fine ene ade na omu ebo transformers no 1st May ewie ye no nyame no kure ni media me krom ha no mo ye hu bibia ye koso because dum so enra nadwo ye eno no pedum light omu so ye no ewie mu sa dum no so ewie dum anum no anadwo omu dum light da simu just Dumsor no ekoso but okom yam yan bisu a Dumsor no as omu install a new transformers na akofom kakra na eno so ana eno Kofi Oduro begina na so dem eno Kofi Oduro kasa na ne kasa no na ne o twabo Ghana for Queccy official mu o twabo wo mu ana se nwan se Dumsor no ja yen de Ghana for ja kasa bo ye nkwasiafo enso Kofi Oduro kan no na bisu ese wani eje ka kire
enkwasia wonse kan ye dum eja ye obi aka na no atum kwasia dwene na ba me na adan madu ya gada enkwasia dwene na ye se adwuma no akosombo ahye ama nipa ye huru ba bia obi ambo adime angasa mom ye mompa ye se akosombo no ahye no eniema ba kama Asia drink can kwasia drink keka wunim de ya wo fie wo no ye kura wo ye electrician ba no be fa cable so de ye adwuma prekopa na kanea no so na pese ye na ga na na baby akanea ko baby ya tell me say nyam kwasia drink be de kata adentira mato aba Dutu abenti ya bibi say ya yenziezi edi angwasi ya dwene no politicians in the musuro manimu ntimi nka we njirem edi angwasi ya dwene watu abenti ya yentimi nka zanjire wo se asemu a wo ken emfa adwe enya adwe bi anim obi papa ekofuru po akwa hwesa cable no ahye no obetimi foforo akọ join akọ connect wo nwi obi papa no ho utifie na wo nse nwuru na atimi keka and all that kind of thing number jina ka jo se nkwasi ya dwene a wo se won ti ase Amen. Amen. Yeba afufro ahankasa kanea no enyina so ye current no wo form e wo low first yeba ha ye so generator air condition enye adwuma also iron enye adwuma ena awurade adomoma be pija yin mu kakra maye even though still ye so screen ya ema enom ne ade ni na ye kanea sem ya but ye nim se enchenche wo na frifrisi ye ba ha no na kanea kura ye de kasa no ibi ni ho itiada na wo no you cannot be able to understand sa adwene no itiye ne passport nyame de odum soronko aba beto ne so na asore no ye si na ye kase na sofo maami we obeba no ote na konwam ne ye na mama certainly makoji aduru
Ebuya so nkra Kofi Oduro na kasa no what say Jimmy ma wo garu no what Jimmy hey Kofi Oduro wa kasa bat yeah ni nyina ye Me dem sonkra, but be read mu. The other video ni be bia no. Wa fire. Part 2 baba because abere play Kofi Oduro. Won't be cast now for ahudi. Part 2 ever. Wait for part 2. How you penya block media. Agra.